Hi, it's Robert Rolik. So today on the 7th of July 2023 we have Kartanontie 22 in Järvenpää, Finland, Finland. Our five floors here. It was finished in 2002. Built in 2002 as well. It's version 51036 maybe. It's from the beginning of 2002.
Yeah.
With five floors. Close button here.
Yeah.
That's 5 floors, and it turned 20 years old in the last year, 2022. We'll be expecting 2024 in the next year. It's very similar to very similar to the one at one of my hotels in Portugal, Hotel Alicante in Lisbon.
Yeah.
It had the granite interior, but still the same, almost the same otherwise.
Inspekteert paikki vai inspekteert maintain responses.
Here it's in Swedish and Finnish, as it should be.
Mm.
These hydraulics are pretty much the same as there was in Hotel Alicante Lisbon also, so
Yeah.
I got this kind of déjà vu feeling here.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has called it, so I think